Hello. We're working on a 2016 Chevy Malibu, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, the same motor, 1.5 liter engine. We'll be changing the knock sensor one, okay? I think right here, let me try to point you. So you see, it's right behind the engine, and it has that sensor right there. Let's see. I'm gonna try to flip my phone up. I'm gonna capture that. Let's see right here. Done this too many times, so I change it without thinking, but this might help someone. Let's see right here. So if you see my finger, the sensor, and there's a clip. This clip, you pull it back, the sensor. Oh, it's kind of hard, but you see, I'll have some. There's a clip. I get a 13 socket. I take it out. That's how it looks like. The knock sensor right here. Okay, right here. Thank you.